Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of TheRealNesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it.
Good morning, you guys. I'm back again for another review. That's right. Today, I am reviewing the Titan Gaming Chair Green Screen. If you guys ever wanted to stream or be a gamer, you say, man, how do I get those fancy green screens? There's a couple ways to do it. You can buy the expensive green screens that have right behind you and just pull up or roll up. Or you can actually get green screen paint and paint your wall behind where you're located and do it that way. Or you can get this right here. This is called the Titan Green Screen Chair, the Titan Gaming Chair Green Screen. That's like a word, a twit. You got to kind of gauge where go. But anyway, I got this at Five and Below. It only costs $10. And this is an easy fit. Somebody want to get into streaming real quick. They want to get all those special effects that people have. Here it is right here. I'm going to unbox it and then show you how to set it up on your gaming chair. Basically right here, this is for streamers. It has a carrying bag included and has adjustable straps right here. The directions are on the back. It folds up into one big circle. It goes right into a circle pouch. Features: soft elastic material, durable for extended use, perfect for use for streaming, vlogging, or working from home. Set an image as your background when using a green screen and enable software, just like that. 42.9 inches in diameter when open or fold for portable travel, suitable for most gaming office and dining room style chairs. Let's open this baby up. Comes in a nice little, of course, made in China, but it comes in a nice little bag like this. Here's the bag. Has a little zipper on it right here. And once you take this out, it's like this. Here's the bag. So I'm going to try to show you guys in a big form. Let me get over here so you guys can see me. See, once you do it like this, you just basically hold it, boom, and it flips open just like that. Look how big this is. Look how tall I am. I'm about 5'6", and look how tall this is. I'm putting it underneath my chin. So next, I'm gonna show you guys how to set this up on your gaming chair. So let's do that now. Easy to set up, as you can see. Has 3 straps, 2 to go across the chair, then 1 to come down across the chair so it'll hold tightly. And this will be right behind you. So basically, when you're sitting in the chair, and then you angle your camera a little, just like that. So let's set this up on the gaming chair, and I'll show you how this thing works. And don't worry, you guys. If you don't have an official gaming chair like this, you know, if you're a kid, ask your mom for this for Christmas. The holidays are coming up. They're very affordable. So make sure you get that. Because if it's coming from China, you want to order it now. Make sure you get here by Christmas. But if you don't have a gaming chair, it's okay. Because this will fit on most chairs. Basically, it's already out. And what I'm going to do, I can show you from the front. I'm going to take these straps off. It is a little tricky because it's so big. So basically you bring this around the back of the chair. And then you close this up. However you want to do it. With the gaming chair, I probably put it underneath here like that. So basically you want to get the headshot. And then you can bring this strap down as so. See, this is green, so it still won't interfere with the OBS, if you know about that. So now, let me make sure you guys have that in frame. Let me check my video. So there you go. Let me move this back a little bit. So as you guys can see, there's the chair. So when I sit down in the chair, that's how it looks. So basically, it looks like I have a whole wall behind me that's a green screen, but I really don't. Because basically, you know, if you're watching this video, you're already interested and know a little bit about it, but you're going to zoom your camera in to where basically you got your head shot on down to your waist. So basically, this is going to be your shot right here. Now, you can move it down low. If you find that this area this area, well, you can still show this area, you know, however you want to do it. It's a different way to do it. A lot of people just do the headshot up here, or you can move that down lower to where if you want to do a waist shot. So I'll show you an example of that. There's the high mode. So let's say I want to get a bigger area of my body into the shot. I'll take it down here, and then you know you really don't need this strap if it's really tight. But on the gaming chair, you usually got a little hole right there, so you can bring it through like that. So now you can see that's a bigger area covered. So now when I sit down, I actually got the green screen all the way down to here. You know, so however you want to do it. So, you know, you have to do your experiment and see what works best for you. Now, I love these gaming chairs, guys. If you're a streamer and you ain't got a gaming chair, you gotta get a gaming chair. I love this thing. This is actually cool, because that means if you're in a tight location with your computer set up, you don't really have a lot going on. Or this is perfect if you got people walking around behind you. If you're in a location in your house or where people are, you got a lot of people in your house and they're walking around you, this right here is better because they can walk behind you and you won't see them in the camera. If you got like a wall back there or something, they might walk in between the wall and you. So this is actually good for a busy household too. That's how you set it up. Now I'm gonna show you how you break it down. So we take that down. Let me slide this out the way. Now for storage, let's bring this back. What I'm going to do, I don't think it's necessary, but I'm going to just put these back together. I'm going to put that back together. I'm going to put that there. Now, the way they say for storage is they say first you bend it across. Then once you bend it across, you bring one. Just try to remember. I know this was the tricky part right here. Okay. Oh yeah, then you bend it like that. Oh yeah, there we go. So once you do it a couple of times, you'll get the hang of it, and then basically you do it like that. You come back, and now you can just put it in the bag. So that's the only little tricky part, but once you do that a couple of times, you'll know, because it's all on which direction you bend it and when you come back. So once you bend it, it basically goes like so, and then it has a little carrying pouch. Let me got the little $10. I'll take that off. There you go. Made in China. So there you go. There's the gaming chair all in one thing. So make sure you guys check it out. Put it right back in here. Cause look, I can just show you guys real quick. This is what I have. Cause look. This is what I currently have. Actually, I bought, you know, just fabric. I bought, as you can see, you know, James Man Cave. As you can see, I bought fabric. So I put like, you know, I didn't want to paint, you know, these walls because I'm in a rental. So I didn't want to paint, you know, as soon as we move, I will actually have a painted wall. But since we're in a rental, I just use these thumbtacks. I got this piece of fabric. And that piece of fabric here's my setup. So when I point the camera, it's right here. So this is good because I actually probably gonna get another screen. So hey, that's the unboxing and the setup of the Titan gaming chair green screen. You guys are right here. Make sure you guys check it out. It's not gonna be any link in this video. Well, I'll put a link to it, because now the link I put on there is going to be an Amazon link, but you can pick this up at Best Buy. I mean, at 5 and Below. 5 and Below got it for $10. So if you don't have a 5 and Below in your area, click the link below and you can get it for the holidays, for your Christmas. If you're looking for something for your son that wants to get into streaming, I got you covered right here. So I don't know how much the Amazon is going to cost, but you have that option if you don't have a 5 and Below in your area. This is the Guru with another review, unboxing, and setup all in one video. Hope you guys are enjoying it. I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace.